Chief of the Army Staff General Asim Munir has reminded the United Nations of its pledge regarding the resolution of the Kashmir dispute. According to Kashmir Media Service, General Asim Munir, in a message in connection with the UN's 78th Foundation Day, expressed his best wishes for the world body. He said Pakistan has a unique history of serving under the UN flag for a more peaceful, prosperous and sustainable world. All parties Hurriyat Conference leaders have said that India has been engaged in the genocide of the Kashmiri people since 1947, when it illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir through fraud and force. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APAC leaders in their statements issued in Srinagar said that on 27 October 1947, India had illegally occupied Jammu and against the will of the Kashmiri people. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and across the world will observe 27th October as Black Day to convey a strong message to the world that they reject the illegal occupation of Jammu and Kashmir by India. Call for the observance of the day has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. The APHC has also appealed for complete shutdown in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir on October 27th. Political experts and analysts based in Srinagar have said that the people of occupied Kashmir have been facing brutal occupation of India for the last 76 years. According to Kashmir Media Service, the political experts and analysts in their interviews and statements said every aspect of life for Muslims in occupied Kashmir is under assault by the RSS-backed Modi regime. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Mirwais Umar Farooq, has paid rich tributes to the senior Hurriyat leader and noted religious scholar, political and social leader Maulana Muhammad Abbas Ansari on his first death anniversary. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mirwais Umar Farooq, in a statement in Srinagar, said Maulana Abbas Ansari shared a close and warm relationship with him and his late father.